Imagine this. You've got a big school project, a last-minute office presentation, or maybe even a client pitch, and you have no time to design slides. Normally, this would take hours, sometimes even days, collecting data, writing key points, finding images, choosing colors, and making everything look professional. But what if I told you that all of that heavy lifting, the research, the structure, the design, even the visuals, could be done for you in just a few seconds? Sounds impossible, right? Like I already prepared this presentation in advance or used some fancy design template? Nope, absolutely not. You don't need PowerPoint skills, you don't need design experience, and you don't even need to know the key points. All you need is your topic, and I will do the rest. Today I'm going to show you how to create stunning, professional, and eye-catching presentations, literally within seconds. This is a complete game changer, and trust me, once you see this, you'll never go back to making presentations the old way again. Let's jump into the video. All the tools I use here are 100% free. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 situations you may face when creating presentations, and how you can generate professional slides in each case within just seconds. First situation, when you only have a topic but no key points or extra details. Second situation, when you already have some points or details for your presentation. Third, and the most important one, when you need to watch long YouTube videos and then create a presentation based on them. Can you believe that in each of these 3 situations, you'll spend only a few seconds to create stunning, professional presentations like this? Let's start with our first situation. Before we begin, open your browser and make sure you're logged in with your Gmail account. Then search for chat.z.ai and click the link. Once you land on the site, create a new account by selecting Gmail and continue. After that, click on the AI slide option before typing anything. In this case, we only have a topic and no other details. So let's open ChatGPT in a new tab, type our topic, and ask it to generate key points for slides. After it generates the points, copy them and go back to chat.z.ai. Then simply type, I want to create a presentation on this topic, and here are the points. Press enter and the AI will start working. At this point, you can relax, grab a snack, check TikTok, do whatever you like, because the AI will finish creating a complete presentation for you. Let me show you how it works. This tool is powerful. It understands the topic, decides what to include, selects the right colors, images, and fonts, and starts by writing the HTML code. After 3 to 4 minutes, you'll see the finished slides. And just look at this, an amazing presentation, designed entirely by AI. If we had to do this in PowerPoint, it could take hours, or even days. But now you can save all that time. This is what working smart with AI really means. Once the presentation is ready, you can edit it if needed. For this example, I couldn't find a single mistake. That's how accurate this tool is. But let's say I want to add a new section called You Saved My Life. If you know HTML, you can edit the code directly. But don't worry if you don't. It's very simple. Click Preview, then the Edit button. Now you can click on any section, text, or image and type your changes. After that, the AI rewrites the code and updates your slide automatically. That's how easy this tool is. You don't need technical skills, just type what you want. When you're done, you can play the presentation with the play button. Or share it on different platforms. You can also download it as a PDF to keep all your attractive slides offline. Now let's move to the second situation. Here, imagine you already have some points about your subject or office work. For example, suppose you're working at Hellotel Company and need a presentation on annual sales 2025. Just copy your collected details, paste them into chat.z.ai, and say, create the best presentation with these points. I didn't even specify the number of slides, and the AI automatically decided that for me. And look at this. Professional slides ready to go. Of course, you can still edit or remove content exactly like I showed before. And now we come to the most important situation. Let's say someone asks you to watch hours of YouTube videos and then prepare a presentation. Normally, this would take days, watching, writing notes, summarizing, and designing slides. But with AI, it only takes seconds. Here's how. I select a YouTube video playlist, copy its link, then go to Google Gemini. After creating your account, make sure you've selected the Pro version. Don't worry, it's still free. Then type, I want to create a presentation from this video. Give me key points for the slides. Gemini will analyze the entire video and give you the most important points. Now copy those points, go back to chat.z.ai, paste them, and ask it to create a presentation. Within seconds, you'll get polished slides. Just look at this. So professional, so accurate. Honestly, I couldn't make a presentation this perfect even if I worked on it for days. So I hope you learned something valuable today, something that will save you countless hours. If you want to keep learning about AI tools and new technology like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel, thealgorithm.com, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.